Hi, my loves. This is Raven from Raven's Reviews, and welcome back to my channel. So today, baby, we are on day 2 of the Advent Calendar series, and I am just dancing. I cannot wait. First of all, this is one of the most beautiful Advent Calendar boxes I've ever seen them do. The artwork is insane. It's all of the celestial goddess, the sun, the star, the moons. I cannot get over the attention to detail that they put into this Advent calendar. I am so madly in love, and I cannot wait to see what day 2 has in store. So let's get into all of the magic. So I was so excited day 1. I wasn't able to read the write-up on Madam Glam's website about this gorgeous 2023 Advent calendar. So let me just get right into their carefully crafted words here. So it says, an elegant box wrapped up in black with golden Christmas elements with a glossy effect. This year's Madam Glam Advent Calendar is filled with 24 glamorous gifts for each day of December up until Christmas. On the 25th day, find something new that only you can use. The Advent Calendar contains one treat per day, the course of Advent, making your jolly season extra special and giving a bit of Christmas spirit every day. This year we are treating you with 9 mini new gels, 8 regular size gel products, 2 new products never before seen on their website, and 5 must-have nail accessories. And on the 25th day, it will be our little secret. Once you've opened every drawer, you can use this box to store your secret things. Oh my gosh, Madam Glam, thank you so very much. This calendar is absolutely gorgeous. And day 2 came with my favorite no wipe top coat. This is essential, scratch resistant, shiny as a diamond, and glass. It is everything. Thank you so very much for coming in to today's unboxing, and I cannot wait to see you tomorrow. Mwah! Sending so much love. Thank you for watching.